Welcome back everyone. So how you can set video as a wallpaper in Windows 11. So how you can do that? First of all, we should open the store. Okay. So first of all, open the Microsoft Store. Here you have to search software name Live Wallpaper. Okay, this one Live Wallpaper, and install this software. When you install this software, it will take little bit time, so just wait. Okay, now just open the software here. When you open the software, just wait. Okay, now you can see the control panel here. Okay, so select whatever you want to set. Also you can add wallpaper. Okay, just like this, and you can provide the YouTube link, or you can provide the video file from here and click OK. Then you click OK, it will update your video to as a wallpaper. Okay, also you can select the customize any live wallpaper if you want to. So you can also select use the live wallpaper from this tool. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.